Good morning, dear student. I am here with the new chapter of class 8, that is second chapter, and the chapter name is Microorganism, Friends and Foe. I am here with the first part of the lesson. Dear student, you have seen the living organism. Living organism means those organisms that reproduce, that respirates. We call it living organism that move from one place to another place. But these living beings can be or cannot be seen through our naked eyes. So those living organisms which we see, which we cannot see through our naked eyes, they are called microorganism. Means with naked eyes we cannot see these organisms. They are also called microbes. They are also called microbes. So these microbes has been divided into 5 parts. They are bacteria, fungi, algae, protozoa and virus. Here in this part we will discuss about the functions, the characteristics of each microorganism, or you can say microbes. That means now you can say that those type of living organism which cannot be seen through our naked eyes is called microorganism. Here we are saying which cannot be seen through our naked eyes. But how it can be seen? It can be seen only through the microscope. Microscope means it is the such type of instrument which helps to magnify the image, that enlarges the image, and when it enlarges the image, at that time we can see this microorganism, or we can see these microbes. See here, some of the pictures are here, and they are bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae and virus. These are some of the examples or the pictures of those microorganisms that cannot be seen through our naked eyes. Most of them you can see it, like algae, fungi, they can be seen through our naked eyes, but like bacteria, protozoa, virus, you cannot see through it through our naked eyes. For this you need a special instrument, and that is called microscope. So here is the first one, and that is bacteria. Bacteria is single celled living organism, means it has only one cell. Another thing is, in it cell organelles is absent, and it does not have any nucleus also. Another is fungi. You have seen mushroom. The mushroom is generally of different color, but not in green color. It is why? Because it does not contain chlorophyll. It does not contain chlorophyll. It may be unicellular, it may be multicellular, and also the cell wall is made up of chitin. Another is algae. Algae is just like a plant. You all have seen the algae, and it is generally seen during the rainy season or wherever there is the moist places. It is aquatic in nature. It may be unicellular, it may be multicellular. It is green in color. That means it contains chlorophyll and can prepare their food themselves. And generally algae is also called a natural filter. Why it is called natural filter is because it helps to filter the water. That means it helps us, whatever we drink, the mineral water, that is the filtered water. So this is natural filter, means it helps to filter the water into the pure form. Another is protozoa. Protozoa is a unicellular organism. It is aquatic in nature, means it lives inside the water. Cell wall is absent and they have cilia or pseudopodia. By the help of cilia or pseudopodia, they used to take the food. They move from one place to another place. You can take the example of amoeba, then after paramecium. These are the example of protozoa which have the cilia or pseudopodia, and by the using of it they captures their food. Another is virus. You are well known to it. Virus is small in size. It shows the characteristics of both living as well as non-living thing. So it is called the borderline between the living and non-living thing. Why it shows the borderline between living or non-living thing is because it shows the characteristics of both. When it is inside the living body, it shows the characteristics of living beings, and when it is outside the living body or in non-living beings, it shows the characteristics of non-living thing. So it act as a borderline between the living and non-living beings, due to which when it comes inside the living cell or living body, at that time only it reproduce, otherwise it cannot reproduce. You can take the example of HIV, human immunovirus, Ebola, and just now there is the well-known virus, coronavirus. These are the example of the virus, and this virus shows the characteristics of both living as well as non-living things. Thank you, dear student. Now next part of this lesson I will discuss in the next video. Till then, thank you and bye bye.